Alright, so you can find the source code on GitHub, actually on my GitHub. So right now this is the last repository, but it won't be in the future. So I will just put the link in the description. You just have to download zip, okay? Then we are going to use VS Code as an editor. So for me, this is the best. Actually, this is the best editor, but you can follow the course with whatever you want. Okay, and then when you open the folder, you will have the three components, dropdown, tabs, and FAQ. And every time you will have a starter files folder and a final files. Okay, so the starter files to follow the code with me, and the final files if you want to use the source code for whatever you want, or if you want to correct yourself. If it's not working, you can look up to the source code and see what's going on. Okay, great. So we are in VS Code and I will use some shortcut with Emmet. Emmet is actually so useful and it's used by most of the developer actually. So this is an extension that is so useful. It's integrated in VS Code when you just download it. Actually, you don't have to download anything. So it's a shortcut extension. So you can do something like div my class, and you just have to press enter, and it will write it. You can do some ID too. My ID like that, and you can do some complex shortcuts like div inside UL with the class of list, and inside there will be LE for times 6, sorry, and you can write something like that instantly. Okay, so great. We will just use it for the class shortcut actually. Okay, so just something like that. Great, great. Okay, and then we will need one extension, the live server extension. So you click on the little square and you just type live server. Okay, and you just have to install it. It's a very popular extension because with that we can go on index.html, okay, and right click, open with live server, and it will just open our code like that. Okay, so this is pretty nice, and you can use it with autosave right there. So whenever you are coding, it will autosave automatically. And with the live server, you do have some instant refresh, which is pretty nice. Okay, look, if I had something, you will see the text just appear right there. Okay, so this is pretty nice to code with live server and autosave. All right. So nice. We do have everything set up. We can start the first project, the drop down button.